So this is the anchor from Harbor Freight, the item number. And these will mount perfectly in the frame holes. I recommend drilling these holes out to a 1/2 inch. And I'm running the 1/2 inch grade 8 hardware. These claim to have a 10,000 pound braking strength. On the 2515 and I assume other TYM tractors, on the front of each side you'll have these holes already in the frame. So let's see if we can give you an idea. These mounts from Harbor Freight fit perfectly. Drill the hole out to a 1/2 inch. Run your 1/2 inch hardware through with your grade 8 washers and lock nuts. This looks like maybe a 3/8 thick front that this bumper mounts to. Plenty of strength for tie down. There you go. Repeat on the other side, and we'll move to mounting. Other side's done now. That is an amazingly easy $10 modification to make tying this thing down a lot more simple. Now with the clevis on the rear, loops on the front, should make things a lot easier to tie down.